My pranams to each and every one of you. Very recently, we could read in the newspaper and also we could see in the TV media that Supreme Court has come forward in informing the people of India that conversion from Hinduism to Christianity or Hinduism to Islam, how much it is valid. Equally, validity can be given for the reconversion and also for preserving all the reservations and other facilities and the benefits for the reconverted Hindus who came from Christianity or Islam to their original religion and original caste. Three criterion has been put forward by the Justice Sri Deepak Misra and Sri V. Gopalakrishnan. In their verdict, they declared that those who are coming back from Christianity or Islam should accept the same caste which their family members were following prior to 1950. That is one of the very important criteria adopted, and they will be getting all the reservation facilities and all the benefits that they enjoyed as the family members, where their fathers, their parents and their forefathers were living under the umbrella of a particular caste. The second criterion given for this purpose is that when they come back, the religion from where they have gone out, the religious leaders or the authorities should approve their coming back. So the returning to the home should be approved by the pupil, of that particular religion. So the first criteria, they should accept the same caste which they were living earlier. And the third, it is the duty of the reconverting pupil to prove that he belonged to that particular caste and he is coming back to that particular caste which enjoyed other religious or caste-based benefits. These three criteria are very simple and logical, rational and also ethical, based on which reconversion to the original religion can be entertained without any conflict. Now, I would like to request, and we should also try to work for such a transparent method. Instead of conducting the provocative Gharvapasi, or instead of conducting the provocative speeches, lectures, demonstrations and customs and rituals, just like the Hindus are getting converted into Christian fold, or silently how the Muslim convert, not violently. Remember, majority of the Muslim conversion used to be violent. Instead of that, silently, if they are converting the Hindus into their fold and similarly converting to the Christian fold, we the Hindus should also reconvert those who have gone from Hindu dharma to other religion, and that should be done silently, without much provocation, without a publicity, without a video show in the TV, without the photo printing in the newspapers, because these are all the things which can create restlessness in the society, thinking and assuming that it is our our privilege to bring back the people from where they have gone. That privilege should be conducted, or that privilege should be implemented silently and not violently. Under such a great conditions and situations, with all the positives around the world, and also the great verdict given by the Supreme Court, now the Hindus and the Hindu leaders and also the sannyasis, good sannyasis, they can do their level best to bring back the people who have gone from our religion. The most interesting and the really wonderful result of this verdict is that it goes back to any number of years, decades or even centuries. Those who have got converted from Hindu dharma 100 years ago, their responsibility is to prove that they belonged to that particular caste, and they will be coming back to that particular caste itself, and they will not be claiming anything else. And the sannyasis or Hindu dharma followers and the leaders and the religious and spiritual leaders should approve that their coming back is valid, and the society approves them. Under such a situation, creating unnecessary problems and doing a thing which should be done silently in a reverse manner should be avoided, and the VHP or RSS or the people connected with the reconversion should move forward silently, and that should be peacefully, that should be done spiritually, that should be done in the very powerful, good methodology to be adopted for this great mission, that too with the support of the Supreme Court. Thank you very much. I am very sure that people will be following that, and they will never take the law and order in their hands and move forward thinking that India is the Hindu land, and declaring unnecessarily that we will do, we can do, and we will be doing that thing, this type of unnecessary provocative speeches or the action should be avoided completely, and coexisting, cooperation, complementing methodology and procedure should be adopted as our Vedas say. Sahana vavadu, sahana ubunaktu, saha viryam karavavahai, tejasvinavadidamastu ma vidvishavahai. I am very sure that all the Hindus will be doing their level best to bring back the people who have gone from our dharma, and everyone will do their level best to enrich Hindu dharma to the best of their family and individual levels possible. Thank you very much. My pranams to you.